Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO F11, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings, and from here you want to scroll down to additional settings, and at the bottom you'll find backup and reset, erase all data factory reset, and then select erase all data. This will give you a quick message that this will erase all data. I would surely hope so, with the name erase all data. And select erase data, and then we're going to do it once more, and this will now begin factory resetting the device. Now this process will take about probably a minute, 2 minutes, give or take. And once it's finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, though the screen is very dim because it's not using the ambient light detection. So anyway, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.